right now. Right. Full screen. Okay. You can clearly see Zulaika, right? Okay. All right. So today we are going to continue on multiplication of money. That's what you have been learning last week. You did already addition and subtraction of money pula silap. Apa yakin buka? Bukan money, bukan money. Itu dah leng dah. Apalah.
Cikgu, money dah pass.
Yes, I know. Ni. Dia keluar yang lain. Addition dah, subtraction dah. This one. Sorry. Addition and subtraction pun dah.
56.
Time pun dah. Money, time already did. This one. Yang ni kena cepat. We have to make it quick because there are a lot of measurements yang kita kena belajar. Okay. So, as you can see, kita ada length, mass and volume. Ada tiga measurements that we have to learn in one topics ni. In one topic, length, mass and volume ni ada 3 topics in one chapter. Okay, so you have to make sure to remember all the previous lesson tu senang je kan. Previous tu addition and subtraction je dengan converting. So today we are going to continue on multiplication of length. Okay, what is multiplication of length? As you can see here, okay, kalau dalam buku teks kamu, you can see on page 56. Okay, boleh refer to your textbook. You can refer to your textbook on page 56. Ada topics multiplication of length. And within the topic, you can see some of the examples yang already given the answers. Tapi cikgu akan explain for your clearance lah. Nanti boleh. Okay, siapa tu?
Amanda, can you mute?
Amanda. Okay, thank you Amanda. Tak apa. Alright. So, multiplication of length. Multiplication of length tu the same method, same apa nama? The same thing. If we look back at the multiplication topic, it was applying the same method lah. Addition or repetitive addition. Dia ulang-ulang. Okay, tambah the same number, the same value. Okay, so this is also the same thing except it only has unit, which is meter tu, length. Okay, so unit dia meter, centimeter and so on. Kalau macam ni, kita boleh tengok dalam topik, dalam soalan ni. Okay, the question gave, what happened to dia hang pula. Okay, sorry. Don't show. No. $56. Okay, the same thing applied. Okay. Nampaknya kita kena open macam biasa sahaja pakai doc. Okay. Alright. As you can see here, okay, the book said, okay, in your textbook, stated that the question number 1, child crash, helmet is not an accessory but a requirement. Itu dia punya apa nama tu? Signboard lah, macam papan tanda ah. Pole to pole dia ada papan tanda. Okay, kalau kamu lalu. Okay, contoh ni soalan dia macam you you okay, you go past the highway, nanti kamu nampak okay, one signboard and then another. Okay, the first signboard said a child crash helmet is not an accessory but a requirement. Okay, another 15 meter, then you can see Malaysian are said to be polite. Is it true? Macam tu. Sampai every 15 meters, the signboard, you can see a new signboard every 15 meters. So what is the distance from the first pole to the fifth pole? Okay, tiang yang pertama, you can see until the fifth pole, how much distance you took. Okay, so dia macam kamu kira 5. Dia senang je 5. Okay, question number 1 ni. Okay, question number 1. Okay, question number 1 ni, you can see dia bagi alright. So ada berapa distance? Kamu tengok sini Kalau kamu tengok dekat sini, in between the signboard tu, you can clearly see the distance. Tapi jangan kira signboard This is not, dia bukan nak tanya ini point kamu. Okay, this is your first point. Okay, starting kamu dekat sini. Sekejap besar sangat. Okay, A to B. Okay, in between this point
Cikgu,
A to B ni, ya.
kena tulis ke?
Oh, no need. Tak payah. I just explaining this to you. Okay, from A to B ni, you can see. Okay, from A to B ni, how many distance you covered? Okay, this is pole number 1. Kita tukar red ni. Okay, this is pole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sini. Okay, 5. So ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kita bukan nak kira pole Dia nak berapa distance dia. So in between this number 1 to number 2 ada 50 meter. So yang ni yang kamu kena kira. This is the distance. So within the pole number 1 and 2 until pole number 2 tu, dia ada distance 15 meter. Each pole dia akan bagi jarak dia. Okay, 50 meters. So you have 4 unit, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ada 4. So what should you do? You have to take, okay, dia bagi soalan, dia bagi dah 4 times 15. Okay, 4 times 15. Mana dapat 4 times 15 tu? 4 tu yang ni lah. Okay, ni 1, 2, 3, 4 tu Okay, 4 tu daripada sini. Semua daripada sini ni, atas tu. Bukan daripada pole dia bukan daripada pole. So time 15. 15 tu the distance in between pole 1 until pole 2, each pole lah. So kamu darab je. 15 times 5. Okay. As you can see, we can use the usual multiplication method. Okay, we do the standard written method for multiplication. Okay. Alright, kalau lupa, cikgu ingatkan balik. Unit, tulis unit dulu. Write down the unit first. Make sure to write down the unit. Kalau lupa nanti, if you did not put the unit, you might not get the complete marks lah. Tak boleh markah penuh lah. Full marks. So, what should you do? Okay, sekarang ada 4 ni. 4 kat bawah ni adalah sifir dia. Kamu kena buat sifir 4. Okay. Kalau masih tak ingat, boleh buat macam ni. Kalau dah ingat, jangan tak perlu buat, tapi make sure your calculation is correct. Okay, so start from 0 sampai the biggest number. The biggest number dia 5 je kan. Ada yang baru masuk ke? Tak ada. Okay, the biggest number is 5. So you do sampai 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Okay, so sifir 4. 4, 0 plus 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Alright. So the first one, 5 times 4. 5 times 4, kamu kena tengok yang ni lah. Okay, kita highlight sikit. 5 times 4, yang ni lah 5 times 4. So jawapan dia 20. What should you do? You have to take the 20 tu. Okay. Ambil nombor yang belakang je. Kan 20 kan? Ingat kan? 20 bring down 0. Okay. Bring up 2. Okay. 2 ni atas letak tambah kalau lupa. Okay. Takut kamu darab. Ataupun kamu kira terus. Okay. Yang ni jangan tambah lagi. Times 1 times 4 dulu. Ambil 1 times 4 dulu. 1 times 4 equals to 4. So plus another 2. Kenapa? Sebab sini ada 2 kan. Okay. So you plus 2 ni. Okay. Alright. Jangan lupa 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So your answer should be 60 meters. Okay. This is your answer should be. Okay. So tengok dekat sini. Simple je. Alright. Let's move to the second question. Alright. Question number 2. Okay. Yang ni pun senang. Okay. Question number 2. 5 times 84. Directly dia dah bagi soalan. Okay. Okay. 5 times 84 meters. Okay. What should you do? Buatlah macam biasa. 84 times 5 meters. Okay. Simple je. Okay. Untuk yang lupa, macam biasa cikgu akan cikgu tu. Okay. Tapi kalau ikutkan tak payah buat pun tak apa. Cuma kalau kamu still tak ingat sifir, you can clearly buat apa yang bawah. Sebab apa? Sebab bawah ni kita nak darab yang bawah ni. So kita darabkan, kita buat 5. 5. Betul. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sini start from 0. Buat sampai mana? Okay, the biggest number. What is the biggest number? Biggest number dia 8. So you have to do up until 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Buat sampai 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, itu saja. Then continue lah. Continue macam biasa as usual. Buatlah sifir 5. Takkan tak ingat kan? Okay, start from 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So until 40, you can get 40 as the answer. Alright. Final number for your multiplication table. Okay, 4 times 5. Okay, 4 times 5. Ambil je sini cari ya. 4. Number 4, 20. Okay, then write down the answer. 22 ingat, bring down 0, bring up 2. Okay, letak plus. Okay, and then cari yang 8. 8 tu 40 kan. So 8 tu 40. 40 plus 2. Kenapa? Sebab ada 2 sini. So 40 plus 2 equals to 42. So your answer is clearly like this, 420 meters. Okay. Yang ni pun senang. Find the length of a row of terrace houses. Okay, yang ni sama macam tadi, macam signboard tadi. Cuma dia bagi kamu, dia tak bagi kamu bilangan dia. Kalau soalan macam, jangan tengok jawapan lagi. Tengok soalan dia. Okay, kalau kamu nampak soalan macam ni, okay, this kind of question. Sekejap, cuba copy sekejap. This kind of question, if you can see. Alright. Dia ada berapa rumah yang ada kat sini? Kita tengok. Okay, ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 houses. Okay. Ada 6 houses tapi dia bukan nak rumah. Dia bukan nak rumah. Dia nak distance. Okay, sekarang kita tengok. Yang tadi pole tu, in between antara rumah-rumah. Tapi sekarang ni kita nak jarak atau panjang rumah semua sekali. So daripada sini you can see, okay, the distance ataupun the length of A house is 6 meters 80 cm. Okay, satu rumah. Okay, kalau satu rumah 6 meters, kamu ada berapa rumah? Ada 6. So, darab dengan 6. Okay, ataupun terbalik pun boleh. 6 times 6 meters 80 centimeters. Okay, sama je. Okay. So, what should you do? Macam biasa, kalau question, if you solve questions like this, don't be panic. Ada 6 meters, 80 meters. Okay, dia nak dalam apa? You can see here, dia nak question tu, dia nak in meters and centimeters. So, you no need to convert the unit. Jangan pergi tukar jadi 680 cm pula. Jangan tukar. Okay. Sebab nanti kamu kena buat multiple working nanti. So no need. You just remain with the same unit. Okay, 6 meters. Okay, kalau dalam buku kamu boleh tengok sini. Kamu boleh tengok dalam buku. Dia bagi. Hello. Ada orang masuk? Okay, kenapa Erina? Yes, Erina?
Oh, nothing. It accidentally turned on.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Kalau kamu tengok, if you can see from the book. Mana? Ni. Okay. From the book, you can see dia bagi calculation dia macam ni. Alright. Calculation dia 6 meters 80 centimeters. Dia buat macam nak kata macam mana? Macam complicated sikit kan. Dia macam ada kenapa ada tambah bawah tu, ada tolak. Okay. Kalau macam ni, don't be confused with this method of calculation. Jangan risau. Kita try dulu. Okay, kita try dulu. Kita tengok kenapa dia buat calculation macam tu. Okay. First, kita buat macam biasa, kita try to do this kind of calculation. Dia ada meter and centimeter. So kita try buat macam ni. Dia ada 6 meter and sini ada 80 centimeters. Okay. Times with 6. Okay. Then kita akan buat sifar multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. Alright. Multiple of 6 up until the 8 value. 8 value 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then kita buatlah continue. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Pada yang, for those who are not really used with the sifar 6, make sure to memorize. Cuti ni buatlah, gunakan, spend your holiday, your homeschool ni, buatlah benda yang berfaedah like memorizing the multiple table. Senang. Multiplication table. Okay, start from 0. 0 times 6. Tengok sini ada 0. So make sure you know this. That's why I put 0. So you know 0 times 6 equals to 0. Okay. And then 8 times 6. You can see 48. So bring down 8 here. Okay. Bring up 4. Mana? Bola sini. Okay. Then 6 times 6. 6 times 6. 300 and 300 36. Okay, 6 times 6, 36. So 36, highlight lah sikit. Okay, sini, sini, sini. Okay, so you can see the flow. Okay, so 36 plus 4. So 36 plus 4 equals to 40. Dah. That's all. Dalam buku tadi, you can see from your book, dia tak nak buat, the book did not do the regrouping yet. Dia tak buat lagi regrouping tu, dia tak masukkan lagi. So kita convert siap-siap. Tadi kan 4 kan, dia extra 4 tu letak siap atas. Siap-siap letak ke atas tu. So tak adalah yang mengganggu sangat. As you can see, the answer is same. 40 meter, 40 meter, 80 centimeter. Okay, the answer is still same. So my calculation dengan dalam buku, the answer will be remain the same. But the calculation is different lah. This one is simpler. So better if you want to do like this, like mine, boleh buat macam ni. Kalau tak, boleh guna dalam textbook. Okay, for your information, kenapa dalam buku tu dia buat macam tu? Sebab dia tak nak confuse dengan unit. Dia tak nak tukar terus jadi unit lain. But actually, sama je. 400 tu, 480 tu, centimeter is actually 4 meter 80 centimeter. Cikgu writing cikgu. 4 meter 80 centimeter, sama je. And then you just put on top. Whenever you get the answer, then you plus another 4. You can see, you can get the answer 40. That's all. Okay, let's move to the last question. Question B. Okay, this one, yang ni pun ada combine unit juga. Dia ada 40 meters, 80 centimeter. Okay, yang ni is the continuation of the, this is the calculation. Oh, this one is the calculation. Yeah, 40. Oh, it said to put, ingatkan apa. Okay, dia nak kamu tukar dalam centimeter only. Okay, you have 4. You have, mana tadi? Where's the answer? Okay, here. You have 40 meter, 80 centimeter as your answer. Okay, for B, for B. Okay, this is for B. Tukar, change into centimeter. Saya nak dalam centimeter. So remember, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So you just change the 40 meter lah. Kalau 40 meters, 80 centimeters, kita dah ada centimeters. So what unit should you change? You have to change only for 40 meter ni je. So 40 meter is actually 40 meter equals to, ataupun kamu darab dengan 100. So 40 times 100. So kamu akan dapat 40,000, 4,000. 4,000. So you plus another 80, you will get 4,080. Then you will get 4,080 as your answer. Okay, that's all. Macam tu je. Maksudnya dia nak unit conversion. Dia nak unit conversion. So you have to convert 40 meter, jadikan dia centimeter. So 40 meter is actually 4,000 centimeter.
Teacher?
Yes.
We have to do the let's try after this, right?
Let's just discuss. Kita nak buat sama-sama pun boleh. Actually, I want to give you a few examples je. Okay, multiply ni, yang ni. Okay, for this, okay, I will give you 2 from the 5 questions ni as your example, and then you can do all by your own. Do the rest by your own. Okay, so let's try. Let's try. Okay, so let's try. Kita akan buat, let's do question B. Ini susah sikit. Try with B. 108 centimeters times 9. Okay, so yang ni senang. multiple of 9 only. So you can use multiplication table 9 for 9, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 0 0 1 until 8 kita ambil sampai 8. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. So sifir 9 senang je. Okay, for multiple of 9, start from 9. 0 plus 9, 9. 9, kamu turun ataupun kamu kira. Okay, actually kalau kamu tengok baik-baik, the flow dia senang saja. 9, 18. Okay, macam ni kita buat macam ni lah. Turunkan. 9 kan? 9 turun. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. And then, letak satu dekat 18 tu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you get a complete table. Okay. Then kita start from number 8. Okay, remember multiplication, division, multiplication, subtraction dengan addition. Everything must start from the ones place value. So 8 times 9 dulu. Okay, 8 times 9. You can clearly see 8 times 9 tu 72 as the answer. So bring down 2. Bring down 2. Unit, jangan lupa unit. Unit dulu. Okay, write down unit. Okay, so bring down to 72 tadi kan. So bring up 7. Okay, 0 times 9, kamu boleh tengok, you can see 0 times 9 actually 0. Okay, so plus 7, your answer should be 7. 0 plus 7 equals to 7. 1 times 9, lagi senang. 1 times 9, 9. Tak ada apa-apa nak perlu tambah, no need to plus anything, so you just remain 9. So your answer should be 972 centimeters. Okay. It's depend kalau kamu nak buat, if you want to do the multiplication table ni, it's up to you. Kalau tak nak buat, you have to think by your own. Okay, but do not refer to your back side of your book. Jangan tengok sifir ke apa ke multiplication table, the ready made one tu. Kalau buat sendiri tak apa. Tapi tak nak juga kalau kamu buat and then you refer the multiplication table yang kamu buat.
Teacher,
Must be hello.
I got the ready-made timetable.
Okay. For those
Teacher?
yang buat timetable, hello, yes, Vanessa. Yes.
when they on question D, so they want us to times and then convert it to cm, but when I did it, I get 90 meters.
Which one? Question number?
D, 4.
Oh, D. D in cm, okay? Alright. Let's discuss. Okay, tak apa, Vanessa. Good. Good question. Alright. Let's discuss D, D. Okay, Vanessa said she got a wrong. Apa? You got berapa? How much answer you got for D?
No, I don't know it. 90 meters.
90.
Yes.
5 times 18 meters. Sorry. Meters equals to, you got 90.
Yes. 90.
Centimeters.
Teacher.
Okay. Yes, apa tu?
Teacher, you skip question number 1, teacher.
Yes, okay, I just skip all the questions. I will do only some of the example as some of the question as the example. Yang lain you have to do by your own. You have to do by yourself. Okay lah Shiva? Clear? Tak apa.
Okay.
Nanti salin dulu B tu. You can copy down dulu B tu. Nanti baru buat A. Tak apa. As long as you write down the number of questions. Okay. Okay, thank you Lakshiva for the question. Alright, so Vanessa, let's see. Okay, question D 18 meter. How if we change this? We change this. What if we change this into centimeter terus? Okay. Okay, 18 meters time 100. Jadi berapa? 18 times 100. Okay, you just put 18 centimeters. So this is your 18 centimeters. Okay, Vanessa. This is not the answer yet. Okay, yang ni kalau kita tukar terus. We start with the converting the unit dulu. Kita tukar terus. Okay, so 18,000 tu, 80,000 pula. 1,800 tu, kita times dengan 5. Okay, 5. Then kita copy down question tadi. Tadi kita dah tukar 18 tu jadi 1,800. So, 1,800 centimeters. Alright. Then, kita buat 1,800 cm times 5. Okay. Shiva boleh clear, this is for question D Okay. Alright. Kalau kamu buat macam ni, easier lah sebab kamu dah tukar unit awal-awal. Alright, so you change the unit already. So no need to change later. Tak payah tukar dah lepas ni. So not really confusing lah. So 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 8 times 5 is 40. Kita dah buat dah CP ni tadi Previously tadi kita dah buat, so kita tak nak buat dah. So 40 bring down 0. 4 bring up. Okay, 1 times 5 clearly, ingat. 1 times 5 is 5. Bukan 0 5. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Your answer should be 9,000, Vanessa. Boleh faham, Vanessa? Understand?
Can.
Okay.
So I
you
just
change
write?
the unit. Copy down tak apa. Okay.
Okay,
You change the unit dulu.
9,000.
Ataupun if you don't want to change the unit first, you can also just continue dulu darab 18 tu, kamu darabkan dulu 18 meters times 5. Boleh juga. So 5. 8 times 5 equals to 40. 0 bring down 4 plus 1 times 5. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So this was 90 meter. Okay, Vanessa, maybe you forget to convert the unit. So you will have 90 meters as your answer. Later on, you have to convert 90 meters into centimeters. Okay, Vanessa. Yang lain pun dengar. Kalau kamu lupa nak buat, you won't get the correct answer. You won't get the correct answer. So 90 meters times 100. Okay, this one should be centimeters lah. 0009. Same. Okay, same answer you will get.
15. Number 18.
So I just times it 100.
Yes, 1,100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. So tadi just now Vanessa, okay, dengar everyone. Okay, Vanessa, she has the correct answer. Okay, she did the correct answer. She got the correct answer. However, she forgot to change the unit. Lupa nak change the unit because the question is not asking you in meters. The question is asking you in centimeters. It doesn't want you to give the answer for in meter. Okay, so you have to change it into centimeters. Okay, yang ni tadi meter yang Vanessa dapat tadi. So 90 meters you change into centimeters, you will get 9,000. If you change first, you will get answer 9,000. If you change later pun boleh 9,000 juga. Tapi still you have to change the unit. Okay. Okay. So for E, yang ni cikgu explain sikit lah. Takut kamu lupa. E 6 times 9 meters 25 centimeters. Okay. Dia nak in meters and centimeters. So tak ada problem lah untuk change unit kan. Okay, so no need to convert anything. So you just write down the standard written method in meter and centimeters. Okay, start with number 9 and 25 times with 6. Okay, so 5 times 6 equals to 30. 3 being up. Okay, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15. Okay, 5 naik atas ni. Okay. Jangan letak tepi 15. Kita letak terus ke atas. Okay. Then 9 times 6 equals to berapa? Siapa tahu 9 times 6? 30 apa?
54.
34?
54.
54, betul. So 54. 54 plus 1,
5.
5. So your answer should be 55 meter, 50 centimeters. Okay, put unit meters and centimeters. Okay, nanti dia tulis kat atas. Simple je. Jangan risau kalau soalan macam ni, if you happen to see this kind of question,
I'm
don't
done.
get panic. Good.
Then
Okay.
teacher, then just equal and then write the answer in the other blank.
Yes, write down the answer 55 meter and 50 centimeters. Because the question asks you in meter and centimeters. If the question asks you to convert, then you have to convert lah. Alright. Okay. You can stop the activity first. Let's try to kita buat dulu division dulu. Kita continue division. Okay, nanti kita nak masuk unit baru, unit dah measurement baru pula. Okay, so kita tengok untuk topic division of length. Okay, the overall length of the coaches of a train is 14 meter. Find the length of one coach. Okay, without the kepala dia lah. Panggil apa? The head of the train ke? Okay. Coaches dia panjang semua 14. So you have to divide. Divide by what? Kita tengok Okay, this one is for division of length Kita buat division of length terus. Kecil. Besarkan, zoom in. Okay, so this is for division of length. Question number 1. Okay, the question asks you to find the length of one coach. Ni one coach. Ada berapa coach? Kita boleh tengok sini. Kita kira lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ada 7 coaches. And then the length of all the coaches are 14 meters. So kamu kena divide. Okay, 14 meters divide by 7. Oh, very easy. 14 divide by 7. Okay. So what should you do? 14 buatlah bentuk lazim dia. Okay, buat long division Kita tak nak buat benda lain kita buat long division je. So 14 meters divide by 7. So kalau kita buat sifis hujung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tak payah buat pun tak apa sebenarnya ni. Sebab ada 2 jawapan dia. 1, 2, 7, 14. Okay, as you can see you have 14 here. So 2 tu nak letak kat mana? Okay, kita buat dulu one by one. Okay, 1. Can you find 1? Tak ada. 1 tu 0 lah. Okay, so 0. Bring down 1. Tolak 1. Bring down 4. 14. So 14, your answer should be 2. Bring down 14. Bring up 2 as your answer. Okay, so your answer should be 2 meters. Bukan 20 Cross lah 0 depan tu. So 2 meters as your answer. Senang. This one is very easy. Who's this? Oops, question number 2. Okay,
Teacher,
kita
what's
baca
the
kat
page, teacher?
page 58 lah Shiva. Just after the multiplication topic. Okay, number 2. Okay, tengok sini. Question number 2, 760 centimeters divided by 4. Alright, so what should you do? Yang ni dia nak in cm. So in cm, you just divide macam biasa. Sorry. Turun sikit. Don't forget the unit. So you have to do multiple of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, buat sampai 5 dulu. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, first, tengok the first digit, which is 7. Can you find 7? Tak ada kan? 7 is in between. Is in between this number 4 and 8. So you have to take the smaller one. So you take atas lah. Ambil yang atas je. Okay. So 4 bring down 4. Bring up 1. Tolak. 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Bring down 6. 36. Okay. You don't get 36 here. So you have to do another. You have to continue sampai you get 36. Let's see if we can get 36 out of the multiple of 4 ni. So 24, 28, 30, 2, 36. So 36 ni kamu boleh dapat from the 9 numbers. Okay, tengok sini ambil 9. Lah senang. So 36, kita ambil 36 tu, bring down 36, 9 tu bring up, so minus. Okay, yang ni division kamu kena careful lah. You have to be careful. Make sure to count it one by one. Don't miss any numbers. And don't be careless. Yang kamu, the multiplication table tu, make sure to do this, the multiplication je, betul-betul lah, buat betul-betul. Correctly. So 6 minus 6 equals to 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So bring down 0. 0, 0 lah. 0 sini 0 ada. You can see 0 here. Okay, so 0, 0. So minus 0. Atas pun 0 lah. So the answer should be 190 centimeters atau cm. 190 cm. That's all for question B. Question number 2. Question number 3. Senang je ni. Question number 3 I think skip lah. Nak buat lah. Senang number 3 ni. Kita tengok yang susah sikit. Stable ni. Horse stable. Number 4. Question number 4. The length of a horse stable. Panjang satu kandang kuda. Horse stable ni 17 meters 40 centimeters. What is the length of each section of the stable? Okay, dalam ni stable tu maksudnya kandang yang besar kan. Okay, so ada berapa kandang? Kamu boleh tengok ada 3 kandang. Okay. Ambillah copy set paste. Counting je. Okay. So total length dia adalah 17 meters 40 centimeters. So total length dia. Dia ada berapa stable? Ada dalam ni ada berapa ekor kuda tu? Satu section dia ada berapa ekor kuda? Kalau ada 3 kepala kan. Maksudnya ada 3 kandang lah, 3 section lah. So ada 1 section, 2 section, 3 section. So each section tu must be equal length. So ada 1, 2, 3. So berapa length untuk 1 section? So kita boleh tengok sini the calculation dia nak ada 3 section maksudnya divide by 3 lah. So divide by 3. So 17 meters 40 centimeters ni tak boleh buat macam darab tambah tolak tu. Multiplication, division, subtraction dengan tu yang kita buat ni meter, sentimeter tu tak boleh. Tak boleh. So We just um, continue. Write it in, kita buat macam ni je, sama je. Okay, so 17 meters, selang sikit, 40 centimeters. So kita buat long division, copy down all the numbers, all the units. Okay, macam ni, panjang. Memang panjang. For division, nama pun long division, memang panjang dia punya calculation. But don't worry, it's not very hard. Okay, as long as you keep doing the correct method, you won't get the wrong answers. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, buat sampai 5 dulu. Alright, so continue. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, tengok yang first ni pun dah 17. So kita tambahlah sikit, 17, 18. Baru
Teacher,
nampak. Yeah,
do we have to copy this?
copy down, no need. Okay, just do the, let's try nanti later. Okay, first we can see here the question is 17 meters. The first number 1 and 7. So kalau kamu nak buat one by one, kita do step by step. Kita ambil 1 dulu lah. 1. Okay, 1 tak ada kan? Okay, 1 tu kat sini in between 0 and 3. So 1 tu in between 0 and 3. So you just take 0. So you take 0. Okay, so 0 bring down, 0 bring up. Minus, you get 1. So bring down 7. 7 jadi 17. 17 pun tak ada. Dalam multiple of 3 tak ada. No 17. So you have to find the nearest number which is in between this. 17 tu is in between 15 and 18. So you have to take the smaller number which is 15. So bring down 15. Bring down 15. Bring up 5. So you minus. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 here, 0. So meter ni nak buat apa? Kalau macam ni, bila soalan macam ni, ambil dulu meter ni, tulis unit dia. Alright, so yang ni bukan remainder. Yang ni you have to change is, sebab kita dah tak ada number dah sini. Meter dah habis dah. Meter kita dah tak ada dah meters. So we don't have any value for meters. So you have to transfer this to centimeter. Yang ni kena careful. Make sure to be careful with this. Okay. 2 ni kita nak change into centimeters. How? 2 times 100 jadi 200 kan. So this one should be 200. 200 200 ni kita tambah dekat sini. 200 jadi 200 plus 40. So jadi answer sini 240. Wait. Okay, sorry. My laptop buat hal pula dah. Okay. Kat mana tadi? Okay. Remember this. Boleh dengar? Vanessa, can you hear this? Boleh kan? Okay. Sampai mana tadi? Kita continue balik. Okay, you have to transfer 2 ni become 200. So you have to plus another 40 jadi 240. So you change this into 240. 240. Okay. So 240 ni kita kena buat macam tadi balik. 240 ni kita kena buat balik, bahagi balik. You have to divide this. The same method apply. Kita ambil dulu 2. Alright. Sekejap padam sikit ni. Okay, 240. Siapa-siapa yang... Sekejap, cikgu padam balik. Cikgu explain balik lah. Okay, method dia macam ni. 2 ni adalah meter kan. So you don't have any more value for meters. Kalau kamu continue lagi kamu dapat 000, tak dapat dah. So you have to make sure this to be transferred into this 40 ni. So 2 plus 2 ni adalah 200. 2 ni 2 meters equals to 200 centimeters. So 200 centimeters plus 40, okay, you will get 240. Okay, 240 ni adalah the new value for cm. For cm. Okay, untuk unit cm kita ada unit baru, value baru 240. Okay. So 240 you have to do calculation as usual. Take it from 2. Okay. First number 2 lah, 2. Okay, so find 2. You cannot get 2 from here, you can have only 0. 2 is sitting in between this number. Okay, so 2 ni 0 lah, minus. Okay, bring down 0, letak 0 sini pun tak apa. Nanti kita boleh padam. So 2 minus 0 equals to 0. Minus So 2 minus 0 equals to 2. 0 pula. So bring down 4.
Is there any homework?
Hello?
Is there any
for
homework?
Let's try. Okay. So continue. Kita ada 24. Kita continue sampai we get 24. 6, 7, 8. Okay. 18. Isi paper 3 kan. 21, 24. Okay. We get 24 here, which is the 8 value. So 24, you bring down 24. So okay, bring down 24. 24 equals to 0. Bring down 24 tu yang 8 value. Kita tulis balik sini. 8. So you bring 0 down here. 0, 0 lah. 0, 0, 0. Bring down 0 equals to 0. Jawapan dia centimeters. Okay, jangan keliru. Don't be confused. Make sure to take the... Okay, 0 tu yang depan no need to take. Okay, so you just take 5 meters. 80 centimeters as your answer. 5 meters, 80 centimeters. So this is your answer. 5 meters and 80 centimeters for a section in that horse table. Okay, yang ni for question number 5, yang ni simple je. No need to worry. Yang ni kamu bahagi and then you have to convert this. Okay, kita ambil dulu. 120. Question number 5, the answer is 120 centimeters. So dia nak dalam meters and centimeters. So change into meters and centimeters. Okay, so 120 kita ambil dulu. Ingat cikgu cakap dah, I told you before, kita separate in between 100 dengan 10 place value tu, 100 dengan 10 place value tu kita separate. So 1 tu adalah 1 meter. 1 tu adalah 1 meter. 20 tu 20 cm. So your answer should be 1 meter and 20 cm. Yang ni kamu buat calculation sendirilah. Kalau boleh refer to your book, sama je. Okay, yang ni tak ada masalah. Okay, let's do divide. Okay, yang ni. Okay, let's try ni. You can do this
Teacher,
by your own.
teacher,
Yes, hello. Mm-hmm.
I'm when I'm trying to do C, I'm getting confused.
For
Let's
this
try.
one lah. Let's try division.
Yes, number 3.
C.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
C
getting
number 3. Okay.
confused.
Okay, discuss this lah. Okay, discuss dengan
Teacher, what
discuss
page
buat
is
question.
the let's try?
Let's try 59. Okay, let's try 59. Okay. C, let's see for question number C. Okay, C, the question is asked you 9 meters 17 centimeters. Okay, what should you do? 7, TP 7, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kita buat sampai 5 dulu. Okay, 0, 1, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Okay, almost 5. Okay, 35. So start. Okay, cari 9 9. Okay, so you have to find 9. 9 is not in between. 9 is not in the CFA, in the multiple of 7. So you have to take the smaller number, which is 7. So you bring down 7 here, 1 on top, and then you minus 2. Okay, 2 ni terus tambah dekat sini. Kalau nak senang. Vanessa dengar. Vanessa, you just put 2 in between, in front of this. Kalau nak senang, tak payah nak tambah-tambah dah, you just put 2 here. So, sini cross. Okay. Ataupun kamu buat macam pergi arrow lah. Turunkan ke sini. So, sini you have 217. Okay. So, 200 ni dah jadi 217. Okay, yang ni 1 meter. So 270 kita cari sini pula. 2. Ada tak 2? 2 tu 0. Tak ada kan? 2 sini kan? 2 is in between 0 and 7. So you just take 0 lah. So 0, bring down 0, bring up 0, minus 2. So bring down 1 pula. 1 ada. Okay, 1 ada. 1 pula lah. 21 ada. Okay, 21 tu yang ni. 21. So you write down 21. On apa, bawa bring down 21, 3 naik atas. Okay, Vanessa boleh Okay, so now you have 7. 7 lagi dah senang ada. You can clearly see 7 there. Okay. 7 tu asal. Sorry. Tapi 1 je 7. 1. Okay, so your answer should be okay, yang ni tak nak ambil 1 meter 31 centimeters. Okay, this is your answer should be. Okay, kalau nak senang tadi, kalau yang tadi cikgu ajar, kita tambahkan. Sebenarnya cikgu nak tunjuk unit tu, tukar. Okay, sekarang kalau nak mudah, actually tak payah pun tukar. You just put the zero, number 2 tu ke atas. Cuma tadi cikgu nak explain kenapa you have to put on top. Kenapa nak letak. Why we have to put this here, because we don't have any more value for 2 ni, kita dah tak boleh dah. Kalau kamu tolak, kalau bagi pun dapat 0, 0, 0, 0. Nak buat apa kan? Bukan macam remainder lah. So you have to bring the 2 to centimeter. So you jadikan 200. So 200 jadi 200 plus 17 jadi 217. Tak payah pun kira sebenarnya. Letak je 2 tu kat sini. Macam regrouping lah. So on lah. Macam tu. So you will get 1 meter 31 centimeter. Okay, so your homework for today. Okay, let's try.
What is B?
B? Easy tu.
D. Yes. Because
D,
I already divide 31 meter by 5 and then I just did the 6.
You don't get the answer. D 31 memang they don't. Okay. Vanessa, listen.
Yeah.
If you get this kind of question, 31 meters change into 310 centimeters.
Okay.
Tukar dulu.
Okay, so
Then you will get
I do a separate one or
if you
just
change the
leave as
unit,
31 0.
you won't have remainder anymore.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Right. Okay, for D, okay, the tip is you have to change it into centimeter dulu. Okay, firstly, change into centimeter. Okay, so you can get 310 is divisible. Boleh bahagikan dengan 5. Okay, so let's try tadi page apa? 40 apa? 50 berapa tadi lupa dah.
58.
50,
58.
58 kan? Benar. 57 and 59. So let's try 57 and 59. Okay, so you have to do this. Okay, 57 and 59. Later, I will give the link for you to submit the homework. Okay, 57 and 59. That's all. Okay, I think that is for today lah. We shall conclude the lesson for today. If you have any question, you can ask me right now. Vanessa, you have any question?